Good morning, everyone. Good morning again. Welcome to this masterclass about income tax return. Thank you for joining. I hope you will find this content engaging and useful and helpful, obviously. So this is going to be a really knowledge-packed session. Hopefully this will not be too much to handle in one session. Income tax return is not an easy topic, so I will do my best to pass the most important information to you. So you will get, really we will go through the most common questions that business owners ask when preparing their tax return. And we will also go through some practical example of real income tax returns and most common scenarios for sole traders. So the practical part is going to take at least half of this session, half of this masterclass. I suppose we will go a little bit over time, so don't worry. If you are under time pressure and you have to exit at 11 sharp, don't worry, I will send you the recording of this masterclass, but perhaps you will not get a chance to ask your questions live, because at the end of this session we will have the questions and answers live session. So just to let you know that the information we are going to go through is relevant mainly to sole traders, so people who are self-employed, and those who want to learn more about the income tax obligations and the procedures required to prepare the annual tax return. So let's start. Today I'm going to answer the most common questions, as I said at the beginning. Please be patient and stay with me until the end if you want to benefit fully from this masterclass. As I mentioned earlier, the session is recorded, so everyone who attended and who submitted their registration will receive a link to the video. So no need to worry about taking notes during the presentation. You will receive the recording. What's the agenda for today? We are going to start with a short introduction about myself and my company. Then we are going to talk a little bit about the income tax return in general, what it is about, what it consists of. I will let you know, I will tell you a little bit about registration procedures, income tax registration procedures. Then we will move on to discuss filing and payment deadlines. We will talk a little bit about preliminary tax to explain and to clarify to you what this is and when it needs to be paid. Then we will have a particular case of married couples returns. This is a very common situation and not many business owners realize how it should be done correctly. Then I will give you some examples of business expenses that you can claim from your tax. Then I will explain to you what trading accounts are. So just to clarify that during this session I'm not going to teach you how to prepare trading accounts, that means financial statements, because this is the material for a separate extensive training and it requires some fundamental bookkeeping knowledge. So I'm just going to tell you what trading accounts are, and I'm going to show you how they fit into the income tax return. Then we will go through practical examples, two scenarios, one for a single person trading, the other one for a married couple, one of them trading, the other one with employee income. At the end, I will tell you a little bit of how we Nimbus can support you in terms of income tax return and other business financial matters. And at the